Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I see even today a lot of people have various confusion about spouse sponsorship. I do understand, um, proof of genuine relationship because a lot of applicants get questions about this, and this is a very sensitive topic because this is something they have to prove, and many people feel issues about it. While every case is different, and I'm not a guy who is either an immigration consultant or a government body. So of course I cannot put a generic comment, but based on my case, like my application was very smooth when I had sponsored my spouse back in 2016, and it was processed in exact 7 months. Some of you may say that it's like a very fast processing, but it's okay. So what proof of relationship I had used, how it went successful. But as per the checklist, then I had submitted all the documents, and to my surprise, that in the GCMS notes that I had requested, then something was written, like they had shredded chat, what do you call, printouts and all additional document. They had done shredding for it. Probably they did not need it, and I had sent too many of them, but that's okay. So what I believe that something that really cracked my case, something that helped my case was that including your spouse in your insurance. So like if you are employed and you have been offered group insurance, you can include your spouse also. So I had included her, and I think that really helped because you have that is something you're dealing with third party insurance company, which itself is a legal document, and they are being listed as your dependent and beneficiary in case anything happens to you. So I think this acts as a huge proof of genuine relationship, and in my case I think it really worked because I had attached that also when I had applied for my spouse sponsorship, and it went smooth, and it can be easily verified also. Like this gives a lot of uh, positive point as per my opinion. Again, as I said, I'm not an immigration consultant, and it helped in my case. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.